If you're coughing but nothing's coming up, stop forcing it because you might actually be making it harder to clear your chest. In this video, I'll show you a better way. This is called the huff cough. It helps move mucus without the harsh, exhausting cough. I'll show you how to do it now and then explain how it works. First, take a slow breath in through your nose. Let your stomach gradually expand and keep your chest relaxed. Perform 1 to 3 breaths to settle your breathing. So now to complete the huff cough, all you need to do is take a half breath in and then force the air out through an open mouth. Exhale for as long as you can. As you force the air out, just imagine you're trying to fog up a mirror. I recommend you do the huff cough 1 to 3 times. Then if you feel that the mucus is closer to being cleared, you could do a few gentle coughs to see if you can clear some of that mucus. So the huff cough is a proven strategy. Let me just quickly explain how it works. When you cough, it puts a lot of strain on your throat and your chest cavity, creates a lot of pressure, but it's not very good at actually getting the mucus from deeper down in your lungs, which is where breathing techniques like the huff cough come in. They're a wonderful way of getting the mucus from deeper in your airways and bringing it up higher so that when you do cough, the cough is more productive. A couple of things to avoid. Don't take too many deep breaths when you're doing this technique, as this can send you a bit dizzy. If that happens, then stop and let your breathing settle down. Also, you don't have to force the technique as hard as you can. Perform the technique with a nice steady rhythm and exhale for as long as you can. Don't focus on forcing the air out as hard as possible, as this may also cause some irritation. You can do the huff cough regularly to avoid persistently coughing, but remember this is an educational video and not medical advice, so do get checked out if you've got a persistent cough. 2 important things before you go. If you're struggling to clear your chest, then I recommend this detailed video here, and if you know anybody else who is, then please share this video with them.